It's beginning to look like winter. Everywhere you go, snow is falling all around me. Winter arrived finally. Ready to make a video for you guys. Oh, what's up? How you doing, guys? It's snowing since last night. It's snowing actually first time in Poznań in this year. Winter came to Poland about a week ago in the mountains and south regions of Poland, mostly in the mountains actually, but like other cities like Poznań, western Poland came just now. It's quite actually a lot of snow, I'm gonna tell you. It's about 10 centimeters, maybe even more. It's wet, fresh snow. I like snow actually. We don't like it anymore, but I like it still after so many years. Like a small kid. So I'm gonna show you. That's how does it look like. Fresh snow. So I'm gonna show you also like this. If you step on the fresh snow, see, it's actually quite a lot. It's 5 centimeter, I could say. 10 centimeter around. It's the sound of the snow. Living nowadays in different place. We just moved a week ago. That's why I didn't make a video yet, because we just moved. It's still in process of moving. Actually, I mean, we're leaving already, but still a little bit messy with the boxes and stuff. Once it's completed, I'm gonna show you. So cool. It's really snowing. Actually, you can entrance to the garage. You can see how snowing is going. Actually, cool. So cool. So for the weather like this, the proper shoes are recommended. That's actually the Timberlands, but any kind of Timberland shoes, different brand, doesn't matter what the brand, it's good to have it. Definitely not so good idea to walk with the just regular Nike sneakers or any kind of sneakers. You'll get a cold and it's also slippery. So lovely. 25th or 26th actually of November. So you will see this video tomorrow. So cold. 1 o'clock. Because actually last year there was not snowing like this. It was not even one day in the whole year. Maybe one night was I make a video. At night, at morning, no. But during daytime was not like this, and definitely not that much snow. So this is the first day when you go to work. She was excited first time when she sees snow, but today wasn't really excited. We're gonna make a video actually about this one. But for me, I'm like a small kid, you know. I just like snow because I used to grow up with this weather, you know. Going to the woods there. This is actually the little park there. The kids making snowmen now with dad. Happy kid and happy dad as he has no job. I mean, he can spend the time during the daytime. This one is actually going to be blizzard like. So cool. So many snow. Many of you may be not familiar, that's the road construction with the fresh snow. That's why many people recommend, and I used to do it the same, we change tires for winter. They are special tires. Like this guy had a winter tire. I can see from the way how the signs look like, the specific tires. With simply warm rubber. Special rubber so have a better connections. Peaceful you can drive on the snow conditions like this one. But if you have regular summer tires, you are just done. Literally, you cannot really drive. I mean, now somebody in the comment section say, experienced driver can drive anywhere in any conditions. It's not true. I used to drive in 4 different continents and made like 200 or 300,000 kilometers actually behind me in any kind of conditions. And I'm telling you, if you have a good tires, that's very important. Even in the summer, if you have a good tires, it's very important. But generally, so lovely. It's actually 1 degree. That's why it's so cool. Got myself hat yesterday. I don't know. I had the guts as I need the hat for tomorrow. And money well spent. Looks silly a little bit, but it's cool. It's warm in my head and I don't need to wear hoodie. Nice alley actually during the summertime gonna look nice here. This is the new neighborhood. I know this area actually, but I never make a video here, so I'm gonna go to the woods during the snow actually. Very nice. That's the bicycle lane actually and pedestrian path. They already cleaned it a little bit, but the snow start pouring again. Actually was the gap of snow snowing, now it's snowing again. Actually it's getting more and more heavy snow, to be honest. So the little park is there. Yeah, that's the thing actually. And there is the residential area with the houses, and we are actually in the new apartment building just built recently. So look at the snow. Going inside the park. The sound is the airport nearby actually, so it's also good for me. It reminds me of the travels. That's the brzoza, white tree. I don't know if you are familiar. If you are familiar, you tell me in English what's the name of this tree. And there is like a little, not really lake, but kinda water thingy. Oh, let's say small lake, will be easier to say. It's covered by the snow, but it's not ice. All right, so don't step in it because you will fall down 100%. It's just somebody go with the trolley here actually. In Poland, if it's snow, many parents going with kids outside, so they same like in Bali actually. They have to adapt to the temperature. So yeah, lake look like this one. It's not frozen. It's just the. Actually, maybe it is a little bit frozen, but it's wet snow on the top. So yeah, look like this one. Now you see there's the family of the kids actually. So cool. But recently I heard also, as in some parts of Australia, you guys also have a snow. Why I mentioned about Australia, because like 35-40% of my audience have the huge, or this 31,000 subscribers you guys are from Australia. The rest is the rest of the world. So I also heard you have a snow sometimes somewhere in the northern parts, but also in Melbourne in the mountains. I think that some of you told me last time. So snow is not such a random thing, but it's less and less everywhere generally. So I had opportunity today as I can just enjoy the day because my work is that flexible as I can do it later, and now I can enjoy. I really like it. It's all so many signs of the people working with the trolleys. I see already two mothers with the small trolley, small kids. So that's how does it look like. Alright, I will go back. It's not that cold actually when it's snowing. Like I don't need to wear gloves even or anything because it's not that cold. It's cold when it's minus, and when it's dry, then it's cold. But when it's snowing, it's actually warmer. That interesting fact. I need to show you the snowman. I saw that somebody make a snowman. When I was going here, there was the snowman, but somebody destroyed. I think the doggo maybe destroyed. Ah, so cool. Somebody make a snowman here. I better go and film it before the doggo gonna destroy it. Seems like everybody have fun. Yeah, there is the snowman. Yeah. Actually, this winter is first time like this since I left Poland like 15 years ago, to be honest. The nicest snowman is actually here. This is what I saw it from the window. How they actually make it. Here we go. Have a smile, have a stick, have a hair even. So lovely. Alright, got wet. You should see. See you tomorrow next one, let me know.